So let's look at how to invest in the US stock market. If you're in Africa, Ghana, or any of the Africa countries, you want to invest in the US stock market with the use of your smartphone. So I'm going to walk you through how you can invest it and the best stock that you should look at and start investing on the US stock market. This your first time seeing our video online. Kindly subscribe. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. Share this video to your friends, your family, or any other person. So this app is called Plus app and it's available for only Ghanaians, and I will show the other countries how they can also invest aside Ghana, right? So I will introduce the other app for them to be able to invest in the US stock market. So don't worry. So our first app is the Plus app, and you can download this Plus app on the Play Store or App Store. I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out, right? So if you go out to or you come to the app, you create your account, you verify your account, and if you verify your account, your dashboard will be like this. And this is my current balance. I have nothing there, and we have the menus here. If you check down button, we have the home, we have invest, we have portfolio, we have learn, and we have the profile. So you go to your profile, you set up your profile, you set your payment method, your KYC, your withdrawal method, and stuff, and you can hit on learn to learn everything about this platform, about investment and stuff. If you're a beginner, can come out there and learn. We have the portfolio here. You create your portfolio. Portfolio is like a wallet that you create for yourself, and this wallet will contain and all your investment model. Okay, so you set your portfolio, and the portfolio can be set, or you can set many portfolio, depends on your investment strategy, right? And we have the invest here. So they invest, they have a local investment on this Plus app. The first one is the Bank of Ghana treasure bill that you can buy it. So you can use this app to buy the Bank of Ghana treasure bill. And we have the IC liquidity fund too, that you can use this app to get access and invest in the IC liquidity fund. And we have the Delta Bank mutual fund too, that's also here that you can also invest in. And they just introduced this US stock market here. So if you tap on the US stock market, you get access to all the stocks on the US stock market. Okay, so they have all the US stock market here. And before you can get access to register here, you need a brokerage account, right? And I will say that before you can invest in the stock or buy share on any other platform or any country, you need a brokerage account. Okay, after your brokerage account, then you'll be able to invest in the stock. Okay, so when you hit here, because I've set up my account, my brokerage account, that's why you don't see me creating my brokerage account. Okay, or you don't see any warning sign here. So if you're a beginner and you hit on this, it will tell you or direct you to set your brokerage account. So the brokerage account, you will enter your address and others and provide some document or some details, then they will verify your account for you. After that one has been done, then you'll be able to get access to this platform. You come to this platform, you have the first one, that is the future. That means the companies that have been featured on this platform. We have my stock, that means the company that you have invested in. We have the top gainers, so that shows on your investment model or the company you have invested, their gains and stuff. So to invest, you come on this stuff, and before you can invest, you need to deposit, right? So if you hit on this one, let's say I want to invest on that company, that's Google, that is Alphabet, I need to deposit. To deposit, you hit on deposit here, then it will take you through this method. And this method, one thing is you can choose mobile money or you can choose your card, right? So you come here, you select your mobile number, you enter your network provider, you enter your name, so you provide your details, then you hit on then it will take you here to proceed to your payment. Here you select your payment method, that you can come to enter the amount I want to deposit, and the rate is $1 is 16 cedis 20 pesos. So I will enter my amount here. Okay, so in case I want to deposit 1,000 cedis, I'll just enter like this, then it will give me the approximate dollar. Okay, so I'll get $61.75, right? So after I've done with this, I'll hit on next, so it will proceed. Then they will send me a prompt to complete my payment detail. So after I've done with the payment details, you get to this side. Let's learn something here. If you look at here, you check on your right hand side. If you check at this sign here, okay, so you see from here we have some red arrows here, okay, going down. it shows that this stock is not now going down. Okay, and if you come here, you see that this company, it is what green, that is going up. So this shows that they are growing up at this season. Okay, so when you are investing, you need to make sure you monitor that one. And the next thing is you read about the company that you want to what invest in. Take your time, read about that company. In case I want to invest in Coca-Cola, I will take my time. I read about Coca-Cola, how their trending going, their market is. Okay, so if you check here, their market is now hot growing up at this moment. Okay, so you can monitor it and you know how you want to invest in. So in case I want to buy this, I will just hit on buy, then I will choose my portfolio. I said you can choose so many portfolio, then here you enter the amount that you want to invest. One share is what $73.051. Okay, then you enter it, then you proceed to buy your shares on Coca-Cola, right? Then it will get to your history for you to read what is going on under the stock. So this is for Ghanaians who want to invest in the US stock market. Let's look at the other app for other countries too to be able to invest. So the next app I'm going to introduce here is the Bamboo app. I know a lot of people have heard about this Bamboo app, and this Bamboo app is Nigerian based company that feature the Nigerian stock and the US stock market, and it allow any other people or any other African countries members also to invest in the US stock market. So if you come to the app, you register, you activate your account, then you get access to invest in the US stock market. So these are the companies that are featured on the US stock market. We have the Apple, Amazon, Global. We have a lot of companies, Tesla, Microsoft and stuff. So to invest, you come in and create your account. After you created your account, it's set and everything is verified. As I already said, you need to read about the company, and if you look at here, they give you medium risk assets, and we have low risk assets. We have Bamboo also have a channel that you can follow, the WhatsApp channel, to be able to know what is happening on other investment models. Okay, so you come in, then you select and add the low risk assets into your portfolio so that you can also monitor them and start your investment. So this is how you can also invest in other from other countries in the US stock market. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, put your question in the comment section. Shalom.